Good girl. Good girl.
I can no longer hear.
Make sure you don't get in her face. I can't see when you... Kinley, you talking? Talk to us, Kinley. Talk to us. Oh. Tell us.
So I throw these pieces
Come on.
in chunks, and then I cut most of it up into the food processor.
Tell us, come on. You talking?
You don't have to be pretty.
Talk.
You just have to be nice.
Alright, stop, let her do it. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Do it again. Let her do it. Yeah, that was a good one. Stop. Do it again. Come on.
When she did that squeal, I could barely hear after that.
Really?
Yeah, I could barely. Okay, try first one.